bà cho bà đóng bỏ rồi bà cho bà đóng bỏ rồi coi nha
White coveralls or anything. And I don't know where I get antifreeze today either. I don't think we got enough at the shop. Yes, because I don't think we got enough at the shop. Like I said, as far as I'm concerned,
Yeah. Trip họ gọi nhà lên mấy bữa này lên mình nè nè qua bây giờ lên rồi phố ê
Hey, I'll take you back to the shop to get a different truck.
okay leave it flashlight on
No, leave
Turn on.
leave the flashing lights on. Turn out your headlights though.
that's
Well, as soon as you turn out your headlights, the flashlights go out. Yeah, okay.
okay